You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly in English, but also in French. This is a name of French origin, the name of many French kings, also kings of England. It may have different spellings with an I or a Y at the end. This is more of the French spelling, pronounced in French, Henri. Silent H, the H is not pronounced in French, en, so it's not that the N is silent, en. It's not an on or on, it's en, a very specific sound, Henri. In English, either Henri, Henri, or Henry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.